The 2025 Subaru Baja Pickup marks the revival of a unique vehicle that combines the versatility of a pickup truck with the practicality and style of a Subaru SUV. The original Subaru Baja, produced from 2002 to 2006, was a cult favorite, loved for its car-like handling, all-wheel drive capabilities, and quirky design. The 2025 model seeks to build on this heritage while bringing the concept into the modern era with a bold, rugged design, updated technologies, and impressive off-road capabilities. The exterior of the 2025 Subaru Baja Pickup is an evolution of Subaru's rugged design language, heavily inspired by their popular SUVs like the Outback and Forester. The front fascia features Subaru's signature hexagonal grille, now bolder and more aggressive, framed by sleek LED headlights with a distinctive C-shaped running light signature. The grille and lower bumper area are accented with rugged cladding, emphasizing the Baja's off-road nature. The tailgate features a wide stance and a sculpted look, with LED taillights that mimic the front lighting design. The bumper also includes additional cladding and integrated steps for easier access to the bed. A power rear window allows access to the cabin from the bed, a nod to the original Baja's switchback design feature. The 2025 Subaru Baja Pickup blends rugged utility with a premium, tech-forward cabin. It shares its dashboard design with the Subaru Outback, meaning it's highly ergonomic, driver-focused, and features top-quality materials. Soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and durable materials are strategically placed to withstand rougher use while providing comfort during long journeys. The 2025 Subaru Baja Pickup offers a couple of powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The base engine is a 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, delivering around 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides strong acceleration, especially when combined with Subaru's Lineartronic CVT transmission. The CVT has been improved for 2025, offering smoother and quicker shifts, while the paddle shifters allow for manual control when desired. The Baja is equipped with Subaru's legendary Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive system as standard. This system provides excellent traction in all conditions, from slippery pavement to off-road trails. The 2025 Subaru Baja Pickup represents the perfect blend of rugged off-road capability, daily practicality, and modern technology. It stands out in the compact pickup segment with its unique design, advanced all-wheel drive system, and strong emphasis on safety,